This chicken keema mince curry is bold, spicy and packed with protein. Plus it costs just £1.20 a portion. With mango chutney, rich spices and juicy chicken mince, it's budget friendly brilliance that tastes like a takeaway. We're going to start off by heating some oil in a wok on a medium to high heat and add the onion and cook it for about 5 minutes till it's softened. Add your equal measures of garlic, ginger and then some chili. Cook that for about 30 seconds before adding in your curry powder. You can use mild, medium, hot, depends who you're cooking for and what your own spice preferences are. I cook it for the kids, so I use mild. Then we're going to add in the star of the show, which is chicken mince. It's £2.50 for a pack, absolute bargain. If you don't like chicken mince, you could use turkey mince, pork mince, or you could just make a normal keema and use lamb mince, but the calories are going to be much higher. Cook it until it's browned. Add in your chicken stock along with a handful of coriander, that's leaves and stalks, some tomato puree, mango chutney for a little bit of sweetness, and then a few splashes of Worcester sauce. Then we're going to add in some chopped tomatoes, a little bit of corn flour mixed with water to help thicken things, and then just stir it all through. We're going to keep this on the medium to high setting. We're going to cook it for about 5 minutes, stirring it quite regularly to stop it sticking to the bottom and to help those tomatoes break down. And then when you've got about 5 minutes left, we're going to add in some frozen peas from the freezer. You don't need to defrost them, and then give that another 5 minutes. So about 10 minutes total simmering time before it's ready to go.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favor to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Plate it up, garnish with some more coriander and just get stuck in. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you'd like the full recipe, you can get it in my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!